I snore at around 420 every night. Will this mouthpiece help me stop? And will it help you? You'll see pretty soon. But first, why is it so huge and bulky? Can you even put it in your mouth for it to work? Well, according to the instructions, you actually can after literally boiling it in hot water. The idea is that you put it in hot water, then in the cold water for 3 seconds, and then you put it in your mouth and bite it so that your teeth reshape this mouthguard. If you're happy with how it feels in your mouth, then you need to put it in cold water for an additional 15 seconds, and that's it. Alright, now let's get to the interesting part. Does it actually work? Well, it depends on how you will answer these 3 questions. First, do you grind your teeth at night? Because if you do, then you probably move your jaw, and that might cause this part of the mouthpiece to give up and move as well, which will ruin the alignment and will wake you up. Secondly, can you stuff half cheeseburger in your mouth? I'm just genuinely curious. Now, I mean, this thing is big, so if you're one of the little mouse people representatives, then it will rip your cheeks. And finally, do you have straight teeth? Because if you're like me and you're from the crooked smile club, then this thing won't work for you just because you won't be able to comfortably wear it all night. Besides that, it might trigger a gag reflex for some people, me included. So I genuinely tried this thing, but for me personally it doesn't work because I just can't place it in my mouth. For some people it works though. The problem is that I've tried to put it on a perfect set of fake teeth and it didn't work as well. It got deformed as a result, as you can see. So be aware that this is a cheap Chinese white label mouthpiece that dropshippers sell using fake Joe Rogan, Dana White and other celebrities ads. So don't overpay for empty promises. If you still want to try it out, then buy directly from China, 5 times cheaper. I share the link in the description. I hope this helps and take care.